My name is Kevin Mullet, and I am the president of Dutch Valley Woodworking. And I take care of meeting with clients, designing spaces, designing cabinetry to meet your needs. Came out of high school and came into work here at the shop and started in the design end of it, and also got to work in the shop and build cabinetry and do everything from start to finish, which basically gave me the background in the design concept of being able to meet what the client's needs are for function, durability, usage, ease of use, making the cabinetry fit. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy building cabinetry for the customer that works for them.
I'm Dale. I'm the founder of Dutch Valley Woodworking. We started in 1976 with the dream of being a custom cabinet manufacturer. We consider the client's needs, sit down with them on a one-on-one relationship, developing cabinetry to suit their needs, being aesthetically pleasing and functional. We're a custom manufacturer of kitchen cabinetry, anything relative to residential custom interiors, bathrooms, libraries, game rooms, including pool tables. The second part of our business has to do with commercial cabinetry, meeting the needs of executive office suites, conference tables, reception areas. Laser engraving has been added as a part of our business to enhance cabinetry by adding detail to the finished product. Another facet of our cabinetry is outdoor cabinetry, built from a virgin polyethylene material, a welded construction with stainless fasteners. We have the ability to create kitchen cabinetry, exterior use, as well as poolside cabinetry.
We're a small family-owned company, and we just enjoy what we do. We enjoy building cabinetry, doing unique projects, doing things that you can't get at a box store.